If you are planning to renovate or decorate your home this year, stop and listen carefully. There are certain finishes that instantly make your space look outdated, cheap, and harder to maintain. And the craziest part, I see these finishes being used in multi-million dollars villas, penthouses, and even luxury showrooms. As an interior designer, every time I walk into a stunning home with the wrong finishes, I think this could have been avoided with just one smarter choice. So, today I am breaking down the 15 finishes I would never use in my own home. I will explain exactly what these choices don't age well. And more importantly, what you can use instead to create a home that feels timeless, calm, and truly elevated. Hey everyone, welcome back to Designerist. My name is Ceylan and I am interior designer here in Dubai. Over the years, I have worked on everything from small apartments to large villas. And one thing is always true. Good design isn't just about adding pretty things, it's about avoiding the wrong things first. A finish might look trendy in a showroom or in Pinterest, but when it hits the real life, daily use, and Dubai's climate, it can age fast. So let's go through these 15 finishes that I personally avoided in every project and I will never use in my own home. Number 1. High gloss everything. Let's start with the most common offender, high gloss surface everywhere. I get why people choose it. It looks shiny, expensive, and reflects light. But here is the problem. It reflects every single imperfection in your wall or cabinet surface. Fingerprints, scratches, and smudges become visible instantly. Under Dubai sunlight or LED downlights, the glare is harsh and unflattering. Homes should feel calm, warm, and intentional, not like a shopping mall. Gloss works in small, controlled doses, maybe in single accent panel or backsplash. But when floors, wardrobes, walls, and ceiling are glossy, the results feel sterile and cold. We are not in hospital. Better alternative. Satin or matte finishes for walls and cabinetry. Textured laminates or painted MDF for warmth. Light diffusing finishes that make a space feel soft. So, as a pro tip, mix one glossy element with matte surroundings to create contrast. That's what makes design feels layered. Number 2. Fake stone cladding. The fake orange tone stone wall. This was a big trend 15 or 20 years ago, but today it's one of the quickest way to date your space. It's heavy visually, collects dust in every space, and looks theatrical rather than architectural. And here is the key issue. It doesn't age gracefully. Over time, the glue weakens, the color fades unevenly, and it starts looking like a set design rather than home. Better alternative. Micro cement or lime wash for texture. Soft, modern look. Real stone with a natural edge if budget allows. Timeless and elegant. Or architectural paint finishes for a subtle depth. As a pro tip, if you are crave texture, keep it minimal and neutral. Earthy walls elevate a space quietly. Number 3. Shiny chrome fixtures. A chrome tabs and handles might seem neutral, but they are the most developer grade finish you can choose. They show water spots, fingerprints, and look cold and dated. In Dubai's water chrome can stain quickly, and after a year, it loses its shine. As a better alternative, brush nickel, matte black, or champagne gold. Finishes with soft reflective feel, sophisticated and longer. As a pro tip, even changing just the tapware can elevate a bathroom from standard to designed. Number 4. Cheap laminated wood floors. Low cost laminate seems like a budget win at first, but it's one of the biggest long term regrets for homeowners. It chips, it rubs with the moisture, and the plastic feel underfoot cheapens even beautiful furniture. As a better alternative, engineered wood or high quality vinyl planks. They are water resistant, sound more solid, and age beautifully. As a pro tip, light wood tones create an airy, Scandinavian feel. Dark floors shrink a space visually. Number 5. Glossy marble look tiles. Shiny marble imitation tiles are everywhere in Dubai because they look like luxury at the first glance, but they are what happens over time. The pattern looks too perfect. Fake veining is repetitive. It scratches easily and ages poorly. So, as a better alternative, use polished porcelain with subtle veining. Real marble, if the budget allows, also sealed properly. As a pro tip, a soft, polished surface will always feel richer than something pretending to be marble. Number 6. Plastic skirting boards. Skirting boards are like a frame of the painting. You are barely notice them. If they are cheap, they ruin the picture. Plastic skirting warps, yellows, and detach easily. It gives temporary feel. As a better alternative, use MDF or wood skirting, painted the same color as the wall. A flush skirting detail looks especially clean in modern interiors. As a pro tip, matching wall and skirting color elongates the wall visually. Number 7. Fake gold accents. Overly yellow, shiny gold is not luxury. It's a plastic pretending to be rich. Cheap gold plating peels, scratches, and makes space feel over decorated. As a better alternative, use real brass or champagne gold, or warmed, natural metallics like bronze for subtle elegance. As a pro tip, use metallics as jewelry for your space, not the outfit itself. Number 8. Outdated false ceiling. Layered, stepped gypsum ceiling with curvy shapes might have felt luxury a decade ago. Today, they visually lower ceilings and add visual noise. A modern ceiling is clean, linear, and intentional. So, as a better alternative, use flush ceiling with linear lighting. Minimal recess that define zones without clutter. As a pro tip, keep the ceiling quiet. Let the light do the talking. Number 9. Glossy cabinet finishes. Glossy kitchen or wardrobe doors are fingerprint magnets. Unfortunately, every mark shows. Plus, when light hits, the reflection breaks the visual calm. So, as a better alternative, use matte, soft touch laminate or texture veneer. As a pro tip, soft finishes make even budget cabinetry look custom. Number 10. Overly patterned tiles. Pattern tiles are fun, in moderation, but too many loud patterns overwhelm the eye and age a space fast. Trends fade, simplicity lasts. As a better alternative, natural base tile with one accent element. As a pro tip, let furniture and lighting do the talking, not the floor. Number 11. Silver mirror walls. Mirror walls were used to make small spaces look bigger, but today they just look like a gym or a nightclub. They create a visual chaos. As a better alternative, one well-placed mirror fluttered on antique mirrors for softness. As a pro tip, mirrors should frame views, not overpower them. Number 12. PVC doors and frames. PVC doors might be cheap, but they feel hollow, scratch easily, and age terribly in humidity. They make even well-designed room feel temporary. As a better alternative, use MDF or solid wood with good paintwork. Flush doors with clean lines. As a pro tip, simple door designs outlive trends. Number 13. Glossy stretch ceiling. Glossy stretch ceiling were a luxury trend imported from Europe, but they create glare, reflection, and cheapen the overall feel. Also, they are hard to repair or update. So, as a better alternative, use painted gypsum with indirect linear light. As a pro tip, a matte ceiling sets the tone for the entire room. Number 14. Beveled edge tiles. Beveled subway tiles are charming in a farmer's kitchen, but in modern apartments, they feel dated and visually busy. They also collect dirt along the bevel. So, as a better alternative, use rectified edge tiles with clean grout lines. As a pro tip, less surface detail means timeless and elegance. Number 15. Glossy MDF wall panels. A glossy MDF wall panels look great in rendering, but in reality, they scratch, reflects too much light, and show wear fast. Plus, they lack the warmth that makes a home feel cozy. So, as a better alternative, use natural veneer, painted MDF, or fabric cladding. As a pro tip, a tactile wall will always age better than reflective ones. Here is the truth. Timeless design isn't about how much you add. It's about how you keep it simple. These 15 finishes might seem harmless or even trendy, but they silently drag your home down. When you choose finishes that age well, like matte surface, natural texture, quality metals, and quiet ceiling, your home stays elegant for years. So, before you install that shiny tile or cheap laminate, pause. Ask yourself, will this still look good in 5 years? Which of these finishes have you seen the most where you live? Please comment below. I read every single one. And if this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share it with someone who is about to renovate. So, I am Ceylan, and this is The Designerist, where we design homes that age beautifully. See you on next time.